Hello everyone, welcome back. It's a Merry Christmas, shall I say. It's Boxing Day now and it's still raining outside. But Father Christmas came, Christmas Eve, and dropped us the X-Power touch and go carburettor off. Really excited to get this on the bike, and let's just have a look and see what's in the box. So in the box we've got some ODI grips. Good quality, they feel nice, quite happy with them. We've got a Nibby quick action throttle, quarter turn throttle. If there's anything that the GPX needs, it's a quick action throttle. The throttle what's on is really long and you've got to really sort of keep twisting it to get the full throttle there. With this it'll be a bit of a game changer. We've got a throttle cable, and we've got some tubing, we've got a metering rod tool, Allen key, some hose clips, a couple of cable ties, and then we've got some instructions with the specifications of the carburettor on, obviously the application for my bike, the GPX TSE 250R, serial number, metering rod, code, the length of the rod, 51.61, idling set screw, and the slide height 1.8mm, and the power jet, which is counterclockwise, half a turn out. We've got a base in Hong Kong of X-Power, and they are, the official company name is X-Power Touch and Go Power Systems. Made in the USA, but I think that the carburettor is actually assembled in Hong Kong. Now, looking at the carburettor, let's get the carburettor out of the box. I'm not disappointed at all. It looks the part, it feels the part. Clear float board, so you can see the height of the fuel and the float height. No marks on it at all. It's very clean. It's what I expected. I know there's been some complaints from previous buyers of these about some manufacturing marks on the carburettor, but I'm pleased with this. It looks the part, so the next step is let's get it fitted to the bike. So a bit of a quick time lapse there. We've got the tank off, the seat off, silencer, subframe up, taking the carburettor out, got the throttle housing off as well, and the throttle cables out as well. So we're pretty much good to start installing now the new setup, the X-Power Touch and Go carburettor. So we'll put the throttle cable on first, and then we'll look at installing the carburettor.